Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can export a video from Premiere Pro. So firstly open up your Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I already have a footage in my Premiere Pro timeline, and now what you have to do is just make an in and out point. So for making in and out points, what you have to do is just simply scroll to the very place where you want the video to start getting rendered, and then after reaching that place just simply click I on your keyboard, and then again scroll to the very place where you want the video to be end, and then after reaching that place just simply press O. So by doing IO, meaning in and out point, which will make this highlighted portion in your video, which is over here, which means the portion of the video that is inside the in and out point will only get rendered, not the entire thing. But if you want to render or export the entire video, you can just simply right click on the white portion over here and just click clear in and out, and it will remove the in and out points. But if you want to use the in and out points, just simply I and O. That's all. And the rendering or exporting process is same for both with in and out and without in and out. How you're gonna do that? Let me show you. So firstly, after making a selection, just simply go to File, then Export, then Media. You can go this way, or after making the selection, you can just simply click Export over here if you have the latest version of Premiere Pro. So the export section, you have multiple options like general settings, video settings, audio, multi-mixer, captions, effects, data, and normal general. So you can choose your settings over here, which type of settings you may want for your video. So for example, I want 1080p for this particular video. I will just simply click over here and pick the HD quality 1080p video. If you want 4K, you can also go there. So let's go with 4K. Yes, let's go with 4K. And for the format, I mostly use H.264, or you can also use H.265. They are both generally the best. They are the two most used format I use. So after changing the format, if your preset is changed, don't worry, just simply again click on the preset and choose HEVC high quality. So after doing all of the changes over here, just simply choose a location over here. For example, let's go for desktop, then click save, then pick a name for your video, bird, then just simply click export, and the render will start and will end according to size of the video and the effects used. The render timing may differ. So basically, after doing all of that, the video should be exported onto my desktop. So that's it. That's how you can export a video from Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.